Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you a new feature in Outlook. The new Start Mail Merge option now available in Outlook. If we create a new mail and enter the names of all the recipients we want to send it to, what usually happens is that when someone replies, everyone on the list receives that reply. Now, Microsoft has introduced a new functionality. Once you add the people you want to send the email to, enter a subject, and write your message. Then you can click the drop-down arrow next to the Send button. There, you'll see a new option, Start Mail Merge. When you use Start Mail Merge, every recipient will receive their own copy of the email, without seeing the other recipients on the list. After selecting Send Mail Merge, you'll get a confirmation message asking if you want to send multiple emails. In this example, 2 emails, then click on the Send. Once you confirm, each recipient will receive their own individual email, showing only their name in the To field. You could achieve something similar by putting all recipients in BCC, but this is a new, built-in feature that makes the process easier. Hopefully, you find this feature interesting. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.